All right. We got any real country folks out here? We got a couple good ones for you. We want y'all to sing along with us a little bit. Creole Williams lived down the dirt road, made homemade wine like nobody I know. Dropped by one Friday night, said, "Can you help me, Creole? Got a little girl waiting on me and I wanna treat her right." He said, "Got what you need, son," as we sat down in the cellar. Reached through the cobweb as I turned on the light and said, "There might be a little dust on the bottle. Don't let it fool you about what's inside. There might be little dust on the bottle. It's one of those things, this sweet over time." You were sitting on the porch swing as I pulled up the driveway. Old heart was racing as we climbed inside. Moved up a little close as we drove down to the lane road. Watched the sun fade in that big red sky. We stand on the front seat and said, "It's something special, just been waiting for a night like tonight." There might be little dust on the bottle, but don't let it fool you about what's inside. There might be little dust on the bottle. It's one of those things, it's sweet every time. Stay with me, we'll make some memories. After all these years, there's the one thing I find. Some say good love is like a fine wine, keeps getting better as the days go by. Yeah, might be little dust on the bottle. Don't let it fool you about what's inside. Little dust on the bottle. It's one of those things, it's sweet every time. There might be little dust on the bottle. It's one of those things, it's sweet every time. There might be little dust on the bottle. It's one of those things, it's sweet every time. Don't let it fool you. We got any old country music lovers? I mean old. All right.